recording. Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another holiday edition of
Kids Cooking with Mia and Leah. We're gonna be making peanut butter blossoms. Okay, so what we'll need is peanut butter cookie mix, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil,
1 tablespoon of water, and 1 egg. The rating on this is a whip.
Okay, so now let's bake. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Smells like peanut butter. Next, we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons. 1. Wait, 3. Now we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of water. She's gonna plop the egg in.
Bingo.
Plop, plop. Fizz, fizz. Oh, literally finished.
Now time to mix it up. Yeah.
So now we're gonna take a little bit. We're gonna roll it up like the size of a ping pong ball. Dip it in, roll it around the sugar. So it looks like that, like a donut hole. Put it there. And we're just gonna do it with the rest of the mix. Okay, now we're gonna enter them into the oven and it cooks for 11 minutes at 375. Don't forget to ask your parents if you can use the oven and make sure you always have oven mitts on.
Now we're gonna unwrap all the Hershey Kisses.
Wow, our stuff is in the oven, so let's get to it. Take them away.
Okay, I think it's ready. Let's go. Oh, there we go.
It's so good. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips on top before the cookies cool.
And we're gonna push them in like this.
So they melt on. I'm excited because I want to eat this. So now we're gonna move them to this festive tray.
Happy holidays from Kids Cooking with me and Leah.
Okay, I guess we'll be nice to the boys. Boys! Okay, take one and eat it.
This is great. Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays. Bye.